Alright, as you guys can see, we are back at the Just a Wrap headquarters getting the rest of the BRZ wrapped, but not the rest of the car actually. We're only doing some parts today and then the rest tomorrow. But today we do have a very special guest coming to drop off some things for the BRZ. We will be getting our new, but you know, OEM front bumper for the BRZ and 2 underglow kits, one for my car and one for Harold's cars, so we will be awaiting their arrival.
Who could it be?
I don't know. Who delivers underglow kits and has a stock BRZ front bumper just laying around to give to me? They're here. Who is it? Oh. Who is it? Oh, that's not him. This is Harold. This is just Harold. Oh. Oh, they're here.
Oh, they were the ones right behind me the entire time.
Hey, look who's here. All the way from Ohio. What's going on?
What's up, dog?
Hey, Jordan.
How are you, dog?
Nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you. Just had to drive all the way across the country for it.
Hey, Patty.
What's up, y'all? How you doing?
Oh, there's our stuff. Look at that.
Oh, I see my name.
I'm Brandon, yeah.
Yo. There you go.
Awesome. Look at that. A front bumper. I haven't seen one in like, was it been a month now? It's been a month of no front bumper.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is huge. Bro, we got underglow kits, man.
I used to look at the kit on their Instagram like all the time. I was like, this is nice.
If y'all don't know who Lowglow is, I'm gonna put some of their stuff up on the screen here. They got some crazy kits. You guys are gonna see us do videos on these.
Dude, I
awesome.
You guys Scooby snacks out, bro. Yeah. Sounds like
you
you
put
got
stuff
like
in
something extra in here, something.
Y'all can come look at the rack.
What material is this?
Orofoam.
Really?
You guys went with a nose detector, right?
Yeah.
It's no Pandem BRZ, you know, but it's just.
Chill.
I'm trying to get there.
Yeah, I like those brakes.
Wait, you got Brembos on here already?
Yeah, man, I had to do something first. You guys are freaking chasing after me.
Oh, my brakes arrived Friday.
Oh wow, okay. You got the rears too?
Yeah.
I didn't do the rears.
Yeah.
I'm trying to work fast because I know you guys are out here.
The comments are funny. People are like, bro, the car literally came out like 2 months ago.
Yeah, I know.
Chill.
Slow down.
I was like, bro, we had to beat TJ Hunt.
You guys are fixing the front of this car. I was like, I follow these guys and they just did the whole Pandem thing. I was like, all right, I know they got one just sitting, and I see in the back of the videos on the shelf.
We were thinking we're just like, let's just wait until someone like does a front end crash on one. Then we'll just rebuild it. Because we have the fenders. We have
yeah, you do have the
front bumper, which need a hood.
Well, I did the crash, so.
Dude, I seen the video and it's just like.
I hit him, yeah. You see that SI's back now, though. Yeah, his car's back.
It happened so quick.
Yeah.
Freaking beacon where he like broke these off.
Oh, yeah, I've seen him, yeah. Because of the way he's running some fat wheels.
Yeah, he hit us up and he's like, hey, do you guys still have these? I'm like, nah, we cut right through those.
Right. So I wouldn't know why white.
I just want to keep it simple, and I want it to like complement the Lowglow really well.
That is true.
Every color,
when the underglow's
white
on,
modes,
okay, that makes
flow
sense.
with that white really well and make that Lowglow pop even more.
That's true. Because you're looking more at the Lowglow after in the end.
Yeah. It's such a, like an Arctic white. It's not like a
no hints of yellow.
Yeah.
Oh, pure.
It's
pure.
like yeah.
Dang.
It pops, dude.
Wow. I remember this thing.
I do too.
Why you gotta hit Harold, bro?
I don't know, man. Why Harold? Okay, but why Harold had to be there, though? That's the real question.
Because you
Harold
wanted us to record. Where was the camera at?
In your car.
Yep.
We're gonna try and make both cars like show worthy, and then do the Lowglow and try and get those TikToks y'all do of us next to each other, because
That'd be sick.
we're trying to build our shit too. So.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
because I literally used to send him like clips of like
The Lowglow kit.
Oh, really?
Just riding, and I was like, damn, I think we got to get this like eventually. Yeah, people don't want to get anything else, like, cause who else makes something like
Govee, Type. I ran the Type S
But then you
one.
look at, you know, like the features and stuff, and it's just like,
Yeah.
I'll wait on it, you know.
You know,
The features are crazy.
Something I tell everybody with like about Lowglow is like what makes it so different is like obviously like the brightness, you know, the modes are really cool, but it's more about like we're people behind that company. We're not some drop shippers.
Car
We're not
enthusiast
some
too.
drop shippers.
You're
We're
car
not like
enthusiast.
actually see
we're
the
not
people.
buying some shit off of Alibaba and then reselling it for $20. Like our strips, if you'll see our strips, like we have our logo branded on the board.
Oh, like
it's
in
fucking
like a pattern.
Yeah, we'll do a full
every-
video on
it's
those.
everything's interchangeable, everything's
Yeah.
accessible. So like, say you're super low and you scrape off a strip, well, you can just get a replacement.
Oh, you
and
guys do that?
Swap a new one in.
Awesome.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
yeah.
awesome.
All these other companies, they don't even
no.
offer replacements.
You gotta buy the whole kit again.
You gotta buy a whole new kit.
Yeah, I know. I
So
dealt
like
with
that's
that.
like that's why you go with Lowglow.
Yeah, I dealt with that.
You know.
Awesome. Thank you.
Pleasure meeting you guys for real.
Thanks, Jordan.
Yeah.
All right, Brady.
Later.
Carl looks awesome. Keep up the hard work.
Yeah, for
Thanks,
real.
guys. You guys too. Shit. All right. Damn.
Ignore my ashy hands.
We're digging the nails in there.
Okay. All right, hold on a second.
Man, they package this stuff so nicely. They got the Lowglow tape on here. Oh yeah.
Entire box.
Dang.
Look at that. Look at that.
Dude, that is nice. Man, you only see these things on TikTok. And
Exactly.
stuff.
Exactly. We finally
Sick.
got our hands on them.
And we got hand delivered by the Lowglow team. And all.
Boom, whole thing. He wasn't lying. There was actually a Scooby snack in here. Well, he said something about Scooby snack. I was like, are you talking about a gift? An actual Scooby snack.
Enjoy the glow, homie. I can't wait to see you lighting up the rose with us. This is Yo Harold.
That's my name.
You gotta hold on to
They're
that box
authentic. I'm not gonna lie to you.
That's
That's
awesome.
crazy.
So like
They're
super
like-
organized too. Look at that.
Yeah,
Shout out
extremely.
to Lowglow, guys.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
We're gonna have a really nice video on this coming.
Oh, another.
oh, that's
Oh,
right. Hello, bro. Sheesh. Yo, but that's
Oh my
fine. They give
God.
you a lot. They give
Yeah.
you a lot.
And you got
Shout out to the Scooby snacks, though. You know what I'm
Are
saying?
these the gummies or are they the?
Straight up.
Oh, shoot.
Alright, guys, that's not
It's
a
gone.
disrespect. Thank you very much,
Dude. Alright, let's continue wrapping. Alright, Justin has wrapped up the fenders on both sides and now the hoods. Let's go ahead and close the hood and see what it looks like. Still don't have a bumper on here. Man, oh my god.
That was crazy.
That's crazy. That looks really nice. This color just looks so good. I love that we're getting this whole like area done now. It's where we can really start to see what the car is gonna look like. Do I miss having a front end on this car? This looks so good. I can't wait to get it wrapped and put it back on the car. It's gonna look so freaking nice. I actually have a really cool plan to do here in this grill area that I did talk about in a previous video that you guys will be seeing soon. Justin's done with the rear bumper.
One more piece.
One more piece. It'll be done next time we come. So, oh yeah. Oh man, it's really getting there. Oh my god, the car is almost all one color. This is awesome. And then we actually got the front bumper on, and the accident is no longer here. Clear, smooth body line. All right, so good progress today. It was really cool meeting the Lowglow team and getting the front bumper on, and Justin got a lot done on the car, so really stoked about that. Hello. Let's just come to visit the wrap process. And we took some pictures for her Instagram and Harold's, so good to go. That is pretty much going to conclude today's video. A lot of things done. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, never stop dreaming.